Now the topic is liver function test. Um, Normally, the more function of the liver, like secretory function, pigment metabolic, bilirubin, detoxification and protection function liver by Kupffer cells, phagocyte cells, storage function like glycogen, vitamin A and vitamin B12, handling of enzyme ALT, AST, ALP, metabolic function, electron convert to glucose and fructose, miscellaneous function, blood formation in embryo, excretory function, bromo bromosulfathalin BSP, Rosebank dye, synthesis of blood coagulation factor B5 and 10. So these are the liver function. And now the biochemical diagnosis of liver disease met various goals: confirming or excluding hepatobiliary disease, screening, classification liver injury, like example necroinflammatory, cholestatic, metabolic, or infiltrative. Distinguish between a distinct hepatobiliary disease and a reactive hepatic lesion in disorder of other organs or system. Evaluating etiology, estimate severity and prognosis, and following the course of disease and respond to treatment. Classification of LFT. First is test based on excretory function. Second, test based on synthetic function. Third is test based on metabolic function. And fourth is test based on detoxification function. Fifth is test based on enzymic activity. Test based of excretory function. First is abnormality of pigment metabolism. Second, serum bilirubin. Third, urine bilirubin, and we have urine urobilinogen and urine bile salt. Second is dye excretion test, endocyne green, bromosulfoethylene, BSP. So this is test based of excretory function. And now bilirubin. Bilirubin form normally 0.2 to 0.8 and newborn baby 0.8 to 12, and critical value in adult more than 12, critical value in newborn more than 15. Pre-hepatic unconjugated indirect is 0.2, 0.7, and post-hepatic conjugated direct 0.1 to 0.4. Fecal urobilinogen 40 to 280 and urine 0.0 to 0.02. So these are the value of bilirubin found in different condition. Cause of unconjugated hyperbilirubin is autoimmune, hemolytic anemia. These are the cause. And secondly, hemoglobin disorder, like sickle cell, thalassemia, and next hereditary disorder, Crigel-Najjar syndrome and Gilbert syndrome, and next cause of unconjugated hyperbilirubinemia, red blood cells enzyme disorder like glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase deficiency, red blood cells enzyme disorder like glucose 6-phosphate pyruvate kinase deficiency. So these are the unconjugated hyperbilirubin causes. Another is red blood membrane disorder and miscellaneous myeloproliferative neoplasm, polycythemia. So these are the unconjugated. And other is conjugated hyperbilirubin, like intrahepatic hepatocellular damage or intrahepatic cholestasis, like viral hepatitis A, alcohol liver disease, hepatitis, drug-induced injury, autoimmune disorder, ischemia, genetic disease. So these are the conjugated hyperbilirubinemia causes. And other extrahepatic cholestasis, polylithiasis, biliary structure, biliovascular fistula, biliary atresia, cholangitis. So these are the gallbladder carcinoma, cholangiocarcinoma, pancreatic tumor infection. So these are the causes of conjugated hyperbilirubinemia. Determination of serum bilirubin. Direct Van den Berg-Dejoux reaction. It reacts with bilirubin and form azobilirubin. Another is urinoblogen. Any bilirubin found in urine is conjugated, is the important point. Presence of bilirubinuria indicate hepatobiliary pathology. Tested by diagnostic test. Increase in hemolysis, in cholesterol jaundice, urobilirubin disappear from urine. तो ये तो urobilirubinogen है ना, most important point यहाँ keep in top. Jet test based on serum enzyme, increased liver enzyme in serum are due to increased release of cytosolic and mitochondrial enzyme from the injury hepatocytes. Increase enzyme synthesis with consecutive release or diminished enzyme clearance. Serum enzyme test can be ground in two categories. First is Hoge elevation reflect damage to hepatocyte. Hoge elevation reflect cholestasis. These are the two important points to increase the serum enzyme. Marker of hepatic necrosis aminotransferase. The two markers EST and ALT. GOT glutamate oxygenated transmission site liver also occur in liver, but is also present in skeletal and cardiac muscles, kidney, brain, pancreas, intestine, leukemia, and erythrocytes. EST note a liver specific location in hepatocytes, mitochondrial 70% and other cytoplasm 30%. So EST is the note a liver specific enzyme found in other places. ALT alanine aminotransferase, old term GPT. ALT is found in nearly exclusive in the liver. ALT may be regarded as largely liver specific. Site in cytoplasm, high negative predictive value. Normal ALT level might miss patient with subclinical liver disease, as is seen for example in chronic hepatitis C infection or non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. The diagnostic sensitivity of AST for liver disease lower than that of ALT. However, neither aminotransferase is diagnostically specific. Normal level is 10 to 40 international per liter. The ratio of AST and ALT may serve as a crude parameter for judging liver damage. Acute hepatocellular damage. First is acute hepatocellular damage. In this condition, ELT is increased compared to EST. And second is ELT ratio less than 1 in chronic viral hepatitis and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. And EST and ELT ratio is more 2/1 alcoholic liver disease. In this alcoholic liver disease, value less than 1 suggests minor liver injury, while an increase to 1 to 2 occur in severe chronic necro-inflammatory liver disease, such as, for example, in chronic viral hepatitis and in florid alcoholic hepatitis. Normal aminotransferase level do not exclude chronic liver disease. Advanced burnout, the liver cirrhosis is associated with a marked decrease in ELT synthesis. Lower normal aminotransferase level may be seen in longer standing liver cirrhosis. Fluctuating aminotransferase level with period of normal value may be seen in chronic viral hepatitis C despite ongoing necroinflammation. Enzymes that reflect cholestasis: first is alkaline phosphatase, second is gamma glutamyl transferase 5, next is 5-nucleotides. So these are enzymes that reflect cholestasis. Alkaline phosphatase normal level 40 to 140 international per liter. In healthy person, liver more than 17 isoform and bone are the most important source. Alkaline phosphatase is localized with the hepatocytes and in the canonicular membrane. Biliary obstruction, increased pressure in biliary system and elevated concentration of bile acid all stimulate alkaline phosphatase synthesis. Liver alkaline phosphatase is an indicator of cholestasis, and increased levels are found in all forms of cholestasis. The diagnostic sensitive alkaline phosphatase in cholestatic liver disease is 80 to 100%. Elevated alkaline phosphatase level in serum do not differentiate between intra and extrahepatic cholestasis. If there is an increase in GGT activity associated with elevated level, there is a high probability that the liver is the source of increased serum of alkaline phosphatase level. If alkaline levels are disproportionately high, more than 1000 units per liter compared to bilirubin concentration, granulometer disorders like sarcoidosis, tuberculosis, or infiltrative lesion like tumor abscess should be considered when they more than 1000. Elevated alkaline phosphatase level in serum do not differentiate between intra and extrahepatic cholestasis. If there is an increase in GGT activity associated with elevated level, there is a high probability that the liver is the source of increased serum alkaline phosphate level. If the alkaline phosphate level is disproportionately high, more than compared to bilirubin concentration in the repeat sentence, slide हो गई है. In primary biliary cirrhosis and in primary sclerosis cholangitis level of alkaline phosphate and GGT are disproportionately high compared to aminotransferase concentration. Then next enzyme is 5-nucleotidase. In the hepatocytes, it is primarily associated with thicanicular and sinusoidal membrane, but it is also found in the lysosomes and in other intracellular compartment. 5-NT is an indicator of cholestasis, however it is less sensitive than AP. High positive predictive value for the pressure liver metastasis, no induction of 5-NT synthesis by drug or ethanol. This is the high positive predictive value for the presence of liver metastasis. With the important lines, please keep in mind. And other is gamma glutamate transferase enzymes is third enzyme. GGT is not a liver specific. In the hepatocyte, GGT is a membrane bound enzyme. Even minor cell injury causes release of GGT into extracellular space. It is a very sensitive indicator of liver injury that, however, lack specificity. If increased GGT activity is accompanied by a rise in both liver specific enzyme and elevated GGT level may be interpreted as a sign of liver damage. More important than the interpretation of isolation increased GGT level is the high negative predictive value of the enzyme. Measuring isolate GGT level also has no clinical significance. In alcohol liver disease, elevation of GGT activity is sensitive but non-specific parameter. Tests that measure biosynthesis function: normal value in serum, like serum albumin, total protein 6.7 to 8.6, albumin 3.5 to 5.5 gram per dl, serum globulin 2 to 3.5 gram per dl, and albumin globulin ratio is 1.5 to 2.5. 1. Albumin is the major binding and transporting protein synthesized exclusively by hepatocytes. The daily rate of synthesis amount to 15 to 70 gram capacity. The rate of production is depend on several factors, including supply of amino acid, plasma, oncotic pressure, level of biliary cytokines, particularly interleukin 6, and the number of function hepatocytes. The serum albumin level is a parameter of hepatic synthesizing capacity, but is neither sensitive nor specific for liver function. So serum albumin is the important parameter for hepatic synthesizing capacity. Because of slow turnover, albumin is not a good indicator of acute or mild hepatic dysfunction. Albumin concentration are mark of decomposition and prognosis in cirrhosis. Hypoalbuminemia is a decompensated cirrhosis is not only due to reduced hepatic synthesis but is also to shift of albumin into third space. Then occur edema and ascites. With subsequent dilution, peripheral hypoalbuminemia. And in addition to chronic liver disease, the differential diagnosis of hypoalbuminemia include protein loss in nephrotic syndrome, burn, protein losing enteropathy, interleukin 1 and 6, tumor necrosis factor, a downregulate the expression of albumin gene, glucose and decreased protein intake like malnutrition, very low protein diet, pregnancies, also a common cause of hypoalbuminemia. While in bone error of albumin synthesis such an albuminemia are the exceedingly rare. Next is the globulin. Higher the globulinemia is a non-specific manifestation of chronic inflammatory disorder, including chronic liver disease. Increased level of globulin indicate augmented and percent antigenic stimulation. An increase in concentration of virus-specific IgM is typically for acute hepatitis. In chronic viral hepatitis and in autoimmune hepatitis, serum level Ig are increased. Predominant increase in IgM is seen in immune-mediated chronic cholestatic disease such as primary biliary cirrhosis, while in chronic alcohol liver disease, Ig level are elevated. And markers of hepatic necrosis aminotransferase include EST and ALT and LDH. So these are the markers for hepatic necrosis. Marker of hepatic obstruction, conjugate and unconjugate bilirubin alkaline phosphatase, gamma glutamate transferase. Marker of liver biosynthetic capacity, albumin, ceruloplasmin, alpha 1 antitrypsin, prothrombin time, and INR pseudo cholesterase. Markers of hepatic steatosis like ELT, ferritin, and ultrasound scoring of stasis. Marker of hepatic fibrosis like procollagen type 1, carboxy terminal peptide, and procollagen type 3rd amino terminal peptides, and AST-LG ratio, and constitution of extracellular matrix like hyaluronic acid, type 4th collagen dominant, and fibroscan scoring. Markers of hepatic tumor, alpha fetoprotein and 50 nucleotides. Clotting factor, extract factor 8, except factor 8 produced by vascular endothelial cells. All clotting factors are exclusively produced by the hepatocytes. Only one factor is other side, and mostly all is produced by hepatocyte cells. Half-life is much short, from 6 hours to 5 days. Because of this rapid turnover, measurement of clotting factor is single best acute measuring of hepatic synthetic function, and therefore useful in both diagnosis and assessing prognosis of acute parenchymal liver disease. Next is prothrombin time. The prothrombin time screens for abnormality in extrinsic and common pathway of coagulation and encompasses the plasma factor 2nd, 5th, 8th and 10th. 7 and fibrinogen that are all produced by the liver. Since all factors contribute to prothrombin time are produced by the liver, prothrombin time is a sensitive parameter in estimate global hepatoprotein synthesis capacity. In acute liver injury, prothrombin time is a much more sensitive parameter than albumin. Evaluation of chronic abnormal liver test. First is liver test. Isolate elevation of the bilirubin. Fractionate bilirubin more than 15%. Direct less than 50%. Indirect evaluation for the hepatocyte hemolysis. And evaluation for hemolysis, and then Gilbert syndrome, and more than 15 direct diagnose the Dublin, Johnson and Rotor syndrome. Review drug list, hepatocyte C antibody, hepatitis B surface antigen, and ANA, SEV, ceruloplasmin. So these are the diagnosed marker. Celiac disease, consider other non-hepatic causes, and then liver biopsy. Second, cholestatic pattern, review drugs, ultrasound, check EMA, CT, MRI, ERCP, EMA positive, CT, MRI, and RCP, and negative to ERCP and liver biopsy. The isolation elevation of the alkaline phosphatase. The fractional the alkaline phosphatase or check GET5 nucleotides to assess origin of alkaline phosphatase. Alkaline phosphatase of liver origin or other is bone origin. So bone diagnose the bone evil, and liver origin do the ultrasound and review drugs, check EMA and MRC and liver biopsy. So liver test parameter in hepatocellular disorder, the hemolysis, Gilbert syndrome, in normally bilirubin 86, 5 m per dm, 80% due to indirect fraction, no bilirubin aminotransferase normal, alkaline phosphatase normal, albumin normal, prothrombin time normal in hemolysis. And then other is acute hepatocellular necrosis. So both fraction may be elevated. Peak usually follow aminotransferase and bilirubin. Elevated also aminotransferase ALT more than AST. Alkaline phosphatase normal less than 2 normal elevation, and albumin normal. Prothrombin time is usually normal if more than 5 above control and no correct by parenteral vitamin K suggest for poor prognosis. And chronic disease, both fraction may be elevated, aminotransferase elevated, alkaline normal, other decrease, open decrease, or prothrombin time prolonged. Alcoholic hepatitis, both fraction may be elevated, ALT is more than 2 normal, less than 3 normal, often decreases albumin and prolonged prothrombin time. Intrahepatic, both fraction may be elevated, normal to moderate elevated, aminotransferase elevated often more than 5 times, alkaline phosphate, normal albumin, and prothrombin also normal. Obstetric jaundice, bilirubin usually normal, rarely aminotransfer increase, elevated more than 5 times, 4 times, and albumin normal and proton time also normal. तो jaundice is a classic but neither sensitive nor specific sign of liver disease. So are you understand all of you? Jaundice is a classic but neither sensitive or non specific sign of liver disease. Okay, then thank you all of you.